There are going to be kids running around, but I am not going to edit this very much, so just a fair warning. What? Greenworks. Top view bag. It's a snazzy bright green. The handle here is this cool handle. It's maybe about 50 pounds or so. There you have it, the lawnmower. Here's the battery in a separate bag. Oh wait, no, this is the charger. I think this is the battery. Fits in the palm of the hand. It's about 3 pounds, 5 pounds. We're gonna charge this puppy up and we're gonna do some mowing. So while that charges, we're gonna put this part of the lawnmower together, which I hope should be pretty self-explanatory. Trying not to read the instructions because I don't like doing that. I'm gonna read the instructions just because, you know, we're dealing with blades and I didn't read the instructions manual very closely, but I don't know, I thought I could just, you know, take this out of the box and go. Apparently there's a way to lock it, which I'm assuming is this thing. Does it have slots? Oh yeah, so there we go. There's that. Boom. And then this apparently goes in somewhere. Oh, you gotta actually take this off. This goes on the outside. And this is where you get to choose your height. Since I'm only 5'7", I'm gonna go for the short man status. Come on! Oh. Boom, there we go. All right, let me just show you what I did. This piece right here has a screw that goes to the other side like this, and then on this side is where the nut is, and you just screw it onto the screw. I'll figure out the chute later. This is where the battery goes. I like that there's a cover for it so the grass doesn't get all in there. And that's it. I mean, this is a basic model. Can't wait to get mowing. Battery is all charged and good to go. Anyway, put that in. I'm assuming that's the power indicator. I love how intuitive this thing is. Look how light it is. Just one hand push. So let me show you the grass here, show you the job we're doing. Grass next to the edges is a good, I'd say almost foot. And then the grass in the middle here is probably, I don't know, what is that, like 4 or 5 inches? Pull this up. First impressions of this thing is it's pretty nice. The way that you need to press the lever for it to work kind of wears on these grip muscles, so just something to keep in mind if you got a big lawn. And then to stow it, this comes out. This thing does this action. Boom, pretty small, like that. Clipping bag comes out. It's about half full, so I guess I did cut quite a bit. And that's it. Gets stowed. I wouldn't have anything to compare it with because I've actually never mowed a lawn before. Definitely got what I expected to get. A lightweight, easy to start, electric. Got a lot more work to do here, but I'm happy with the purchase so far. Pretty light to carry with one hand. There she goes.